there was not much happening early in the session. We had wide initial balance set up in A period and B and C balanced. We couldn't get above overnight high, and we couldn't get inside yesterday's range. Volume was building higher even within Friday's range, but I think those longs were getting tired, and after C period didn't extend higher, the odds were quite okay that we will rotate to the other side of this inside bar B, and C was an outside bar down. It came down at first without significant follow through lower, but later on when it got lower, it flashed below A period low, so we have our initial balance extension to the downside, and we did break this important reference, which is the spike base, and now we can probably test overnight lows. So far singles are holding, so D period was good opportunity to get short. With tight risk, I am not that attached to that short, because we came long way from the highs before breaking the lows. So yeah, but anyway, with tight stop, it's a nice trade. Now I think we can get a little bit lower, and it depends how overnight low will act as a support or not. If we can get back into overnight range, this can set up long to get back to test at least the spike base. And until we close the singles, I won't make bigger plays to the long side. If we get lower, I don't have any reasonable place to enter short. Here I don't want to enter short on a retest of the spike, because it was already tested a few times. If we get below overnight low and then retested, maybe, but I'd like to see more structure developing, maybe a poor low or more volume here. I'd have to see. Other than that, we are almost repeating the scenario from last Friday. Let me zoom in. So C period broke lower, and D period started extending a little bit to the downside, but not that strong. So let's see if today will be similar. I think that this might be the case, because even maybe more than during Friday, because all those longs who thought that they are out of the woods, they could be very optimistic, but now once we are getting back below previous week's low and into yesterday's value, they might be getting underwater again, so this might induce some further sell-off. I will update when something interesting develops, maybe around lunch.